Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have another journal to share and do a flip through. This is a single signature soft cover journal. It's bound with exposed stitching. There is some sewing, and I would consider this more of a merge of planner community or the planner girl look and junk journaling. So this is what the front looks like. Has a ribbon eyelet closure. It measures approximately 5.5 by 8.5 inches. The area here on the spine is craft text and it contains approximately 60 pages. Pages are a variety of papers, including digital, scrapbook, coffee and tea stained, misprints, and upcycled inserts. It includes envelopes, pockets, and flips, tags, and journaling cards, of course. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip through so you can see. So this pocket here is actually an envelope and has a large tag in it. Then we have a little tuck spot here with library card, another journaling card, and it has a little folder here. And this is a project, these are Project Life type cards. So I have some Project Life in here. It's a digital from Cella Creates, and I have several digitals in here from Cella Creates. So is the floral, this little things. Got a little collage here in the tuck spot. This is a flip. It's also an envelope that can be opened up. This is embossed paper. And there's little stickers and elements throughout. Another collage piece. Some more stickers. Collage piece. Stickers. And I didn't stuff every opening pocket to leave room to grow. All right, so that is it for this journal. I guess I'll just call it Journey. So it will be the Journey Journal. And again, I left the ribbons really long. If you don't like these, you could take them off if you decide you're interested in this journal. Drop me a message anywhere on social media. My social media information is in the description box below. And that's it for this flip through. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. You can also leave your comments in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holla at y'all next time. Bye.